Okay, so we're here na kila lady. We're waiting for her. Today's menu, I'm gonna cook fish and chips. Pero yung chips, hindi siya fries. Mojos siya. And then, ramyun. And then, for our dessert, we're gonna cook macaroni fruit salad.
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir! Let's go! Okay, so we're gonna start cooking. Cooking show! Yan. So, thank you for thawing. Okay na ba to? Ay, okay na ata.
Okay.
And then, nagpakulo na kami ng water for the potatoes and, ano na?
Macaroni.
Macaroni, yeah.
Kasi maraming mabilis ang mga
Sipag ng master chef na yun. Si Frances magluluto ngayon. Sinabi mo na ba yung recipe mo ngayon?
Yung new recipe, hindi pa. So, for the mojos, potatoes lang. Potato, egg, flour, breadcrumbs. That's all. And then, yung seasoning niya, garlic or original, yung powder mix na binibili.
So, anong powder mix yung pinili?
Garlic.
Garlic. Nako.
As suggested.
As suggested. Amen.
Okay, so na-wash ko na yung patatas natin. And we're gonna slice it thinly. Not thinly pala. Sakto lang. Hindi gaano makapal, hindi gaano manipis. So, hindi natin siya babalatan, guys. Ganito na siya. Kasi basta malinis. Yan. Paano yung slice nito? Pag ganito, di ba? Para matataba yung mojos. Or okay lang pag ganito. Hindi. Pag ganito talaga.
So guys, yung nagluto kasi neto dati, ganito yung size. Ganito. Di ba? Tama. Gusto ko yung gusto ko yung version ni Frances. Mojo!
Sakto lang pala na pag ganito.
Siguro master kapag unang subo busog agad. Okay lang yan. Ganyan talaga pag cooking, we learn from it.
Knife skills minus
Yes.
1. Minus 1. Tiga mo, mas maganda siya. Ay, sakto lang.
Oh, guys.
Sakto lang siya. Okay, so okay na yung potatoes natin. Slice na siya.
Okay na rin yung pasta.
Then si Lady, okay na yung binol niyang
Yung pasta.
Iboboil na natin to. But we need a bigger pan. Okay, so our fish fillet, na-wash ko na siya. We're gonna slice it pag ganito. Paano ba? So, okay na to. Ang ano ng camera ko, ang hirap. Ang hirap. Okay na yung fish fillet natin. Na-slice na siya. We're gonna marinate. Marinate with lemon, white pepper, salt, and garlic. Kung may garlic powder kayo. Ladies, gonna coat the mojos. So, we have your egg, our crispy fried mix, garlic flavor, then breadcrumbs. So, itong dalawa, hahalo na natin siya sa isang pan. Yan. Go, lady. Nag-fry na kami. Yan. And then, si Christy, she's doing the sauce for the fillet. So, start na rin natin i-coat yung fish fillet. So, flour and cornstarch, egg, and then breadcrumbs. Let's go.
Liza, say hi to the vlog!
Hi guys, just woke up.
Yes sir, just woke up.
Okay, we're gonna do the macaroni salad. Paano na to?
Sila lang.
and we're gonna add nata de coco. We're done with the macaroni. Yeah. Let's cover it and chill muna natin siya. Update sa frying. Yan, patapos na yung sa patatas. Ano, pa-block yung ano. Yan. And then next na, we're gonna fry na the fish. We're cooking na the fish. Yan. And then last batch na. Last batch na yung patatas. Okay, and then we're good. And then si Christy gagawin niya yung ramyun. Almost all is okay na. So, let's prepare the table. Almost all, except the ramen. Okay, update sa ramen ni Christy. Woo! Crabstick pala. So, yan yung mga putahe ni Christy. Wala pa pala yung ramen. Okay. And then, add niya yung cabbage. And then, that's the ramyun. All is good. Here's our menu. We have our mojos. Cheese kimchi. Our ramyun. And then, our fish fillet. Fish fingers. Fish fillet. Yan. And then, our special sauce.
Special sauce!
Okay, let's eat, guys. Call Rico. Where's Rico? Let's eat.
Mga nakalatos, ipas na lang.
Ay, sige.
We're done eating! Guys na lang kami, guys. And it's already, anong oras na, guys? It's already 11 o'clock. Yan. It's a good meal, it's a good talk. Karaoke night!
Sobrang lapit. Yay! Pwede dito ilagay yung...
Okay, thanks lady for our tea.
Sige, pagpasensyahan na lang ang nakaraan. Ayos lang, basta kasama.
Time check, it's already 3 o'clock in the morning. You're gonna fly away, glad you're going my way. Good night, everyone.
Good night. Cute ko,
Good
guys.
night, lady.
Let
Thank you
lead.
so much. Good night. Let's sleep. Ano oras tayo bukas? Mag-breakfast pa tayo. Breakfast tayo? Okay lang, with egg. Ay, wala na pala! sorry. Okay, sige. Bye, lady. Good morning, guys! We're just packing up. Take out na tayo.
Ganda talaga, guys. Pagtaas ng handaan.
May take out.
Take out.
Hey!